Hello, and welcome to Iguazú Falls. So today I'm here at one of the biggest waterfalls in the world, and I'll take you with me. I'm very excited to see. I've only heard good things. I've heard it's gonna be amazing. So I have certain expectations, but I'm fairly confident that it's probably gonna be better. I'm coming to you with some information read from my phone, of course. It's from iguazú.com. So we're currently on the Green Trail, which is a 60-meter flat, small, stairless path connecting like the different areas of the first part of the park. It's a pleasant path where you can appreciate nature and maybe also some animals. Yeah, 655 meters, easy. It says difficulty none. I would agree. Takes approximately 30 minutes, probably less. And head to the inferior circuit. This circuit allows you to get more views of the panoramic areas of the falls. You can see, or we can see, a lot of flora and fauna, and it also allows you to see a little bit of the Devil's Throat, where we're gonna go later, along with the San Martin Island and a different fall called Bossetti. And this is 1,700 meters, and it's got a lot of stairs, and it takes about 2 hours. We'll see about that length, probably shorter. Yeah, let's have a look. This is so beautiful! I can't even believe how gorgeous this is! Wow! We're now gonna head towards the upper circuit, or superior circuit, however you want to call it. It is about, again, reading from my phone, same website, It's about 1.75 kilometers, and it's gonna give us more of a panoramic view of the Iguazú Falls. From the top, we'll also be able to see both the Argentinian side and the Brazilian side. It takes approximately 2 hours. We'll see about that. No difficulty, a bit of stairs, but I think we'll be fine. We'll also, from this circuit, we'll be able to see dos hermanas, which means two sisters. Chico, like little boy or little. Ramirez, Bossetti, so different, like smaller waterfalls as well. I'm very excited, and then after we're gonna head to like the main attraction. Gorgeous. Now it's time for the Devil's Circuit, or as they call it here in Spanish, La Garganta del Diablo, which is like the devil's throat, which is probably the main attraction of this, like this national park, and we'll be only meters away from the actual like falling off the water. So to get there, we'll be taking the train, ecological train, love that. It goes every 15 minutes, so that's nice, very convenient. And then we'll make it to the top. Then it's about a 2,200 meter walk. And apparently there's a lot of birds and butterflies, so I hope that we see some of that. And then, yeah, I guess that's all the information I have about the Devil's Circuit. I'm super excited. I've heard that it's like crazy, so I really hope it is. Wow. Are we focusing? Thank you. Wow, wow, wow. So that was the Devil's Throat, the Devil's Circuit, La Garganta del Diablo. How was the lighting? Decent? And I hope, I mean, obviously the video is not going to do it justice, but it was absolutely stunning. Like, water, for me, I think is maybe like the most fascinating, incredible thing on this planet. And to see just like the power of the water just falling down was absolutely amazing. I'm so glad that I was able to come here to see this. And yeah, I'm genuinely amazed and almost a bit speechless from like seeing that waterfall. Like, it's so huge, like it's immense, and the power of the water falling, and also like the amount of water. I mean, wow. That's all I have to say. Wow.